Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is on political science. That is how you will be studying for political science board examination. So this is a 5-day strategy for political science. So first of all, on the first 2 days, you have two books, the Contemporary World Politics and Politics in India Since Independence. Now on the first 2 days, you will be watching explanation videos on both the books. That is, you can speed up, you can watch in 1.25x or 1.5x. आप जल्दी जल्दी करके सारे पूरे कोर्स का एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियोस देख लीजिए 2 दिन में, ताकि आपके दिमाग में सारी चीज़ें यू अंडरस्टैंड इट, यू हैव अ गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द सिलेबस. एंड ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग यू कैन डू इज़ यू कैन वॉच MCQ वीडियोज़. MCQ वीडियोज़ देखने से आपको चीज़ें याद हो जाती है, इट विल हेल्प यू टू रिमेंबर इट. So this is what you'll be doing the first 2 days. And if I recommend MCQ videos, you can use the Twin Bros MCQ videos. It is very helpful for actually remembering the content of the NCERT. Now after you have watched the explanation videos of both the books, then what you can do is you can start reading your NCERTs. Now on the third day, first of all, start with the World Politics book. So you can start with the first 5 chapters. Now when you are going through the NCERT, if you have marked your PYQs in the NCERT itself, then you can revise, or if you have not marked, make sure you're opening the PYQs for the respective chapters and also going through them, so that you have an idea of the questions and you are able to frame answers. Is very important. You should be able to frame answers. So आपके दिमाग में आंसर फ्रेमिंग होना चाहिए, बिकॉज अभी आपको ये लिखना भी है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन आंसर्स, सो यू कैन लुक थ्रू देम एज वेल. सो आप जैसे ही चैप्टर कर रहे हैं, आप PYQs भी देखेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट डे, आफ्टर यू हैव डन 5 chapters from the World Politics book, you have only 2 chapters left. So next day you will do the 2 chapters of the World Politics book and 5 chapters from India book. Now same thing, you will go through the PYQs, you will check out the question and answers, you will make sure that you are able to फ्रेम आंसर्स, स्पेशली जो PYQ में है उन्हें. एंड अगैन इंडिया बुक आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स उसमें मैप भी आएगा. यू हैव 4 marks फॉर मैप, राइट. सो उसके लिए भी आप जब NCERT पढ़ रहे हैं, तब आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि कौन सा पार्ट है जो मैप में आ सकता है. सो उसको भी आपको नोट करना पड़ेगा. सो वो आप PYQs में भी देख सकते हो, बिकॉज PYQs में यूजुअली बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं मैप के, एंड दैट विल हेल्प यू फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. एंड देन on the 4th day, now after you have completed 5 chapters of India book, you will now have only 3 chapters left. And yes, the last chapter of India book is very important. आपको वो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से करना है, because it carries 8 marks, which is very important. Every year there is a long question from that chapter, so make sure you're doing that chapter very nicely. Again, since it is the India book, so आपको मैप वाला भी देखना है, आपको PYQs देखने हैं अच्छी तरीके से. And if you want video suggestion for map, again I would recommend the Twin Bros. They have good videos. Then last में जब आपका पूरा you have read through the NCERT, I would recommend you going through rapid revision videos. Now rapid revision videos are 10-minute videos which will help you recall the chapter very quickly with important key points. So आपको ऐसा videos मिल जाए तो you can go through them, so that you have a quick revision of your entire syllabus just before just the day before your examination. Again, if I have to recommend videos, the Twin Bros rapid revision videos are really good. You should go and check them out for your revision. Now on 23rd, that is on the day of your exam, you should for revision you can turn through the pages of your NCERT. आप अपने बुक में मार्क किए होंगे details, so you can just skim through the NCERT and read through it. Or if you have your notes, you can look through your notes as well. So just make sure that you have an overall idea or an overall picture in your head of the NCERT. So this is all. I hope this video helps. Please do like, subscribe and share, and if you have any other doubts, you can let me know in the comments. Good luck with your studies.